successive governments in the past. And he never dwells on the past as an excuse for sensationalism, but rather vigorously addresses the fundamentals required to set the nation back on the path of greatness. Amidst the economic turbulence, he has been able to tame the numerous insecurity challenges with unprecedented breakthroughs, which have revitalized our hope that insecurity will soon be history. A unifier par excellence, he has shown leadership that it is accommodating, intentional, and resolute, lifting Nigerians and not dividing them. We must also acknowledge the stabilizing influence of the National Assembly under the uncommon leadership of the President of the Senate, His Excellency Senator Godswill Akpabio. The peace we enjoy in our democratic governance today cannot be overemphasized without the instrumental role of a functional and cooperative National Assembly under the leadership of Senator Godswill Akpabio. The legislature has complemented the executive with maturity, dialogue, and vision, making the sailing of our national ship smoother under President Tinubu's watch. Equally, we pay glowing tribute to the gallant men and women of the armed forces and our patriotic service chiefs. Their sacrifices in the line of duty protect the territorial integrity of our nation, often at the risk of their own lives, and they deserve more than an applause. They deserve national assurance, they deserve reverence, and they deserve support. Their unwavering commitment to peace, stability, and security across our land reinforces our confidence in Nigeria's unity and enduring strength. We do not flatter when we say we have made the youth. You do not flatter, Mr. President. We do not flatter when we say, Mr. President, you have made the youth your co-pilots in this audacious flight of national redemption. We are not paraded as tokens any longer, but we are partners in policy, innovation, and execution of the task for the birth of a new Nigeria. We see your faith in several areas: fiscal reforms and institutional modernization. We also recognize that this commitment to youth empowerment is not a mere rhetoric. It is visible by appointments that have been made, including for the first time, we are having the youngest ever Minister of Youth in the presence of Comrade Olawande Wisdom. Please, a round of applause. Great Nigerian youth! Yes! Several other appointments of young Nigerians have been made, never so precedented in the history of our country, Nigeria. The President has always paid a listening ears to the cries of the youth of Nigeria. And one of the key symbols was the fact that the National Youth Confab was convoked for the President to interact with the youth, feel our pulse, and not just that, identify our challenges, and not just that, but also make us co-pilots in tinkering or generating solutions to these challenges. Great youth of our country, we are here on this democracy walk to say that the youth of Nigeria stand firmly and resolutely with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. We stand firmly and resolutely with the Senate President Godswill Akpabio. We stand firmly and resolutely with our service chiefs as we move forward. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. God bless the President. God bless the Nigerian youth. Use the youth! Use the youth! Use the youth!